In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export videos using Google Drive in Clipchamp. This process is an excellent way to manage your video projects seamlessly and efficiently, especially when you're working between different platforms or devices. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to clipchamp.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice the sign in option. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This platform offers a variety of login methods, but for today we'll select Continue with Microsoft. It's a simple, secure process that will take you to a new window where you'll select your Microsoft account to proceed. Just choose the account you want to use and you'll be redirected to Clipchamp's homepage. Once you're on the homepage of Clipchamp, you'll see an option that says Create a new video. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you into the video editor where all the creative magic happens. Here you'll see an Import Media drop-down menu. Click on that and you will find Google Drive as one of the options in the list. Selecting Google Drive is your next step, so go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted to continue, confirming that you want to connect your Google Drive with Clipchamp. Follow the on-screen instructions to successfully link your Google Drive account. This step ensures that your drive is secured and ready for importing media into the Clipchamp editor. After these steps, you can easily pull in any videos you have stored in your Google Drive for editing. After you've finished editing your video, you'll want to export it. Head over to the Export button within the Clipchamp interface. A dialog box will pop up asking you to select the quality of your export. Choose a quality that best fits your needs. Higher quality means a larger file size, so keep that in mind if you are limited on storage or bandwidth. Once you've selected the quality, you'll find an option to Save to Google Drive. Click on that, and again you'll be prompted to connect to Google Drive if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompt and this will guide you through reconfirming the connection and saving your newly edited video directly to your Google Drive. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to import and export videos using Google Drive in Clipchamp. With these steps, you should find it easy to manage and share your video projects across all your devices. Thanks for watching.